Hello everyone, how are we all doing? Yes guys, I have an important update to give, but before then please, I've noticed that people that watch the videos, only 1% of us subscribe to the channel. It is not encouraging at all. If you are watching from this channel, please and please I beg you, subscribe to the channel. It is very very important. Like the video, comment and share so that channel will be able to grow, for people to watch the videos, and YT will be able to recommend it for other people to see and to watch. You also need to understand the importance of sharing. It is also help as well. Thank you so much. I believe you will help your brother. Yes guys, I have an update from Biafran Liberation Army and Biafran Resistance Force. The issue of sit at home and the intention of sit at home, is the reason why our brothers, in Biafran Liberation Army and Biafran government in exile keep on dishing out reasons and facts for us to understand the need of sit at home. But in other hands, people that have vowed to disrupt the peace and the progress of Southeastern, especially in the Igbo race, are not sleeping. They keep on working, fighting tooth and nail to make sure they destroy the plans and the purposes of the sit at home, which is the main aim, which is main aim is to release Mazina Modekano. But they keep on spending money and doing everything necessary to make sure they destruct it, and they make sure that they paint the image of Simon Ekpa and the Biafran government in exile and the Biafran Liberation Army bad to the public. But God passed them, because each time they come out, they always fail. We saw what happened in a boy state, where a group of guys came out burning properties and goods of people because of sit at home, which is not necessary, because Biafran government have already come out and to put a disclaimer that they are not aware of that kind of stupid act. But be it as it may, we keep pushing, and moving on. Yes, I have this information from Biafran Liberation Army and Biafran Resistance Force commanders, what they have to say, and let's listen and learn from it. Thank you.
Online to ask you, because time has gone that we will be talking, giving warning without taking snapshot measure. We own the land. If you do not like our way of lives, of our pattern of life, if you do not value us as Chukwu Kikabiama make us to be, then you are not worthy to be in the land of Biafra. And those that came to the land of Biafra with the instrument of war, what did they come to do? Your slave book say that whatever thing a man soweth, he shall reap. And you sow death and you want to reap life. Is it possible? You that come to take life, with your life be spare, waiting and they take gun and bullet do. Is it not to take life? And you have come with gun and bullet to take the life of the indigenous people. Do you think they will fold their hands and watch you strangling their life out of their body? What you sow is what you reap. And this idiot say he's an Igbo man. It is happy with a military killing Igbo man, but it's not happy an Igbo man retaliated. So these are the people which we have to show example. And as I've been warning them, before you come on air to talk nonsense, wash your back. So therefore, somebody should give me details of that idiot, the address of that television station, and if possible, the man that was interviewing him. All of them have questions to answer. Very simple question. And that question will be, wetin dem dey take bullet and gun do? Wetin dem dey take bullet and gun do? They must answer us that question. Yes. That is the question they must answer. Now, I want to touch a very little with what a drugs dealer known as Zoological Republic of Nigeria said. He reaffirmed that Nigeria is undividable. We are not asking you to divide Nigeria, not at all. Are we asking you to divide Nigeria? But what we are telling you and what we are promising you is that at the end of this show, what you will see is, behold, Biafra. At the end of this show, what you will see in your own screen, in your own newspaper, in your own television will be, behold, Biafra. And even you will hail Biafra. Okay? We are not in the order. Yes, now. What did Pharaoh tell Moses? Who is that God that can deliver you from my hands? That nothing on earth, nobody can take Israel away from me. It is easier said than done. No? At the end, he was the one begging Moses, come and carry this your people, go. It's about to repeat. History is about to repeat itself. We are not in the order. We are not in the audio. Buy many weapons. Deport many soldiers. Hire many. Because you don't even have soldier now. You have hiring many. America have given you some. Chad have given you some. Hire so many. You are the chairman of ECOWAS. You have discussed with them. Some other country have voluntarily. No, not voluntarily. You pay. You have pay a lot machinery and bring them. Please bring them in millions. You know, we don't want them in thousands. We need them in millions so that they will die in millions. We go nowhere, for your information. And we are not in the order. Cool down. Relax. You are just entering the hot seat. Fasten your seat belt and get ready. Remember what Buhari promised Jonathan? He said he will make the government ungovernable. We are not promising you that one, no. But what we are promising you is that you will be burning. You yourself, you will be burning, boiling. Because when you burn, you begin to boil until you become charcoal. We go nowhere. We are just starting testing microphone. You know how it is. Program is not yet starting, no. What we do is just hello, testing the mic, testing the mic. We are only on testing. By the time we will start the main program, we will see whether your word will remain as it is. We are not in the order. But my question to you is, what is the exchange rate compared to naira and dollars? Alpha now. Alpha, what is the exchange rate? We are still on October. We have 4 months to go. By the time we will finish these 4 months, you have something maybe to tell your fellow Zoological Republic of Nigeria. You have something to tell, something new to tell them. As for our saboteur brother, perfect slave, known as governor, senator, house of rep, commissioners, and the rest, and the crinkle. Deploy more and more soldier to your state. This is the land of Biafra, the land of our ancestors. We go nowhere. And by the time we finish with them, we will ask you, where do you want to go? Hell or Hausa? You will tell us. We are not in the hurry. And those of you who say pleading with Buhari to release Nnamdi Kanu as an independent gift, thunder will fire all of you. Thunder will fire all of you. You was should I choose political solution. You was should I choose political solution. And then the court, the Buhari told you then that he cannot say anything, that court would decide. And the same court have decided that is not guilty and acquitted. That he should not be tried in any other court in the zoo. And instead of you to stand your ground and fight for the release of your brother, you are going to beg. As a perfect slave that you are begging. Don't worry. You are now seeing him to be as a gift for the independent. Nnamdi Kanu have now become a gift that you are begging Tunumbu to give Nnamdi Kanu as a gift, to release him as a gift for independent of Nigeria. Don't worry. We are not in the hurry. This rain, we are just taking our time to gather. The thunder that will fire all of you, we are still preparing it. We will take our time. We don't want to miss anything. We do not want to miss anything out. We want to miss everything. We want to make sure that every condiment is complete. So that when we fire Una, when this thunder finally strike you people, no pieces of you will be seen in the surface of air. So don't worry, we are not in the order. Hold Nnamdi Kanu tight. Hold him very tight. Okay? Hold him. Don't let him go. Don't leave him go. Because it is your death. You are holding your death. You are holding your destruction. You are holding your doom. The same way you think you can stop Biafra. You never know what we are preparing for you. The soup we are cooking for you, I don't think you will be able to finish it in the hurry. Please, somebody should investigate that very guy, his address, his village, his community, and that radio station or television station that granted him that interview. And even the man that even the interviewer, I need to know the detail about them. Please, send it for us. It is very urgent. Very, very urgent. Let's pay him visit. And also use ourselves to interview him. We are going to interview him by ourselves, for ourselves, to ourselves, with ourselves, and ourselves. You understand though? We need to also interview him. It's just a simple question. Why can't they throw bomb in Sabisa forest? They know about Boko Haram, who have even taken over about how many local government in the north. They never throw bomb. Just recently, last week, they went to a university, federal university for that matter, and then kidnap student. They did not throw bomb. But they come to East and throw bomb as they wish. destroying our home. Then come and I need to ask this person question, please. Somebody should really investigate this person and send me his address. We need to ask him question. We want to also interview him. We want to also, he will talk that talk in our face. You know, we will grant him a very conducive environment for the interview, where he will sit down, we set camera on him, and we will ask him the same question. What do you say? What will you say about the bomb that they have been throwing in Biafra land and the military that have been trooping in Biafra land? And what will you tell us? What will you say about it? He needs to tell us. This man, this very man, who, believe you me, he will tell us. He will tell us. This man. Please, I need information, detail about this man. Very, very seriously. We will also grant him interview, please. We will grant him interview. We are going to grant him interview. So that he will tell us. He will also tell us wetin army carry gun and bullet to come do in our land. Wetin dey happen to those villages where dem throw bomb. So we will ask him we will also ask him question. Okay. So please, if you know, if you have information about him, proceed in sending it to me. Let us go and also grant him interview. We must grant him interview. It is a must. And that television station, we will also maybe find where to relocate it to heaven.
Okay, guys, we have listened to him. I believe we have learned a lot from what he said. Let's keep supporting, keep pushing and believing God that one day things are gonna turn out to our wish. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like the video, comment, and share. See you on my next video. Stay safe.